Hello, and welcome to How to Divorce the Easy Way, Part 5. My name is Laurel Dietz, and I'm the owner and operator of the law firm Alinea Legal Coaching. We guide our clients through low-cost, low-drama separations or divorces. We believe everyone should have good legal help at an affordable price point. As a part of our commitment to this principle, we have created this 5-part mini-series to get you started. This is our final video in this series. We're going to give you some ideas for how to use legal services effectively and keep your costs down as you move through your divorce. So let's begin. When you're working with a lawyer, you will want to know upfront what your contract is with them. Your contract will state what you have hired the lawyer to do. It might also state what they are not going to do for you. This may mean making a plan of what you need to do for yourself, and this you can develop in consultation with the lawyer. Before you start, be clear on what your budget is. Make sure you understand how your lawyer is going to charge you. It might be a flat fee or hourly rates. If hourly, make sure you have a clear idea of how much the fee could be for completing the task you've hired your lawyer for. Hourly rates add up fast. So how can you keep your legal costs down? First, the easiest way to keep your costs down on your divorce is to do some of the legwork yourself. I recommend in the early stages that you look for a lawyer who will work with you to keep your costs down. This means finding a lawyer who will cooperate with you if you want to do some of the work yourself. Lawyers who advertise legal coaching services, unbundled legal services, or limited retainer services are a sure bet. That said, a lot of lawyers who don't advertise these services may be willing to provide them upon request. Second, don't be intimidated by trying to take on some of the work yourself. With some guidance and direction, you can accomplish most tasks yourself. In the early stages of a separation, I recommend that you consult a lawyer for an hour or two. This is a chance to get full legal advice on your rights and responsibilities after a separation. You also want to be asking what the next steps in the process will be for you. This may mean asking for specific guidance on how to start negotiating with your spouse. In the early stages especially, I find it very effective for an individual to do most of the negotiating themselves with their spouse. This keeps the temperature down on negotiations and prevents both parties from getting defensive. After the early stages, I find it effective if you continue to use your lawyer as a consultant rather than your warrior. If you get stuck in negotiations, rather than letting time pass and avoiding the problem, get legal advice on how to move your case forward. Once you've reached the stage at which you have negotiated the terms you would like in a separation agreement, I strongly recommend that you have a lawyer draft the document for you and give you advice on the terms you negotiated. Having the agreement properly drawn up is critical. It can be the difference between having the right wording to make it legally enforceable or not. It also ensures that you've got a second set of eyes on it to make sure that the agreement you've negotiated is consistent, workable, and hasn't left anything out. As a part of your process, you may need to go to court. If this is the case, you'll need to work with a lawyer more closely. You can still manage your case on your own and save a lot of money. However, to be successful, you will want to consult with a lawyer about what to expect, the court process, making sure your documents are prepared properly, and how to present your case in court. Thank you for watching. Want more? Visit our website at legalcoach.ca or follow us on Instagram at Alinea Legal Coaching.